Well, hello. My name is Joel Fiesel. I'm with Secured First Financial of Texas, and I just wanted to take a couple minutes and explain some common questions that I get from individual clients and also brand new agents. And so, hopefully, this will make everyone's life a lot easier. And so, one of the questions I get all the time is, well, what's the difference between term insurance and perm insurance? Well, to make it real simple, term insurance it's like renting. Permanent insurance is like owning. You're going to basically, in some cases, have it forever, right? And so, for example, term, it's temporary. That's why people refer to it as renting. It can be for 10, 15, 20, 30 years, most cases. And it has a true deadline. So if you die during that period of time, well, it'll pay out a death benefit. If you live longer than that period of time, well, everything you've paid in, you don't have any coverage. Now, there are insurance companies that will allow you to continue it, but typically because now you're so much older, that insurance company will go off of your current age at that time. And a lot of times it'll be 10, 20, 30, 50,000 in some cases per year, which most people can't do. And so usually you'll lose the coverage after that. Now, with term, you can get a higher death benefit for a lower premium. So a lot of times when you're younger or maybe you have some high debts and things, you have family at home, term can be great for paying those debts off and for leaving some family behind, funding college, income replacement. It's really good. Permanent insurance, on the other hand, it's going to go as long as you're alive. So that's why it's referred to as whole life. There's different types. Whole life is the most common that people know of. It'll cover your entire life. There's universal life, there's index universal life, there's variable universal life. There's different forms of universal within that. But those will go as long as you're alive. And so typically with a permanent insurance policy, your premium is going to be higher. Your coverage won't be quite as much compared to like a term just because you're paying it for your entire life. The biggest difference is they do build cash value. And so that's something that some people like because a permanent policy, it can build cash to use for other things, like a savings plan in a ways. My favorite one is an index universal life because if you get it while you're younger and you have time on your side, it's like a whole life on steroids. So I'm a big fan of those. You can do a lot of things with them. And so, but it has to, fit what you're looking for. I always say an insurance policy, the best ones, if it's fulfilling your needs and your budget, then it's going to work for you. If it doesn't, it's not going to work. So I hope that tip about permanent versus or term versus permanent or term, what is term, what is permanent. I hope that, answers a lot of your questions. And of course, if you need any help, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help. So that being said, have a great rest of your day. Over and out.